we're going for a short trip out to Minoh Falls, not far from Osaka, for some well-deserved nature therapy and my yearly intake of momiji leaves. It's not quite autumn yet, but by the time this video comes out, it'll be a good time to go. I just got this pamphlet from the information centre. Let's see if we can spot some of these flowers. Minoh is a beautiful place to come no matter what time of year it is. You can see the leaves really aren't turning any other shade, except for that tree up there. Everything is still fairly green. It's really nice just to stop and listen to the water for a while. It's lucky I bought my umbrella. It is now raining. How beautiful. Alright, delicious and crunchy. Not too bad for a snack.
what I love about physical activity. You say you're going up the hill, you're trying to overcome your resistance. You're trying to push through what you already know. And it's the same with healing, in a way. To heal, you must dissolve the barriers. You must dissolve the resistance. Otherwise you will never heal. And I'm talking about mentally here, not just physically. It's not about gaining knowledge. It's not about being smarter. Dissolving that resistance is about letting go and moving through it. There is a resistance to being alone. There is a resistance to exerting yourself, to going out of your comfort zone. We're going to resist all those things. And maybe that's why I love nature so much. You get to come out here, you get to be alone. You get to just listen to sounds. Be one. Be one with nature. Look at this. Wow. Isn't that amazing? And when you push past something, there is a massive release involved. You get to the top of the hill and you just relax. And it's the same mentally and emotionally. When you release something, when you let something go, when it heals, it's amazing what happens. Hello, can you hear the echo? It's like your body is lighter, you're physically lighter because you're letting go of emotions. And where do emotions sit? That's right, in the body. Wow. How's that for you? Down there. How marvellous. This is so beautiful today because it's been raining. So what is the moral to that story? Be okay with moving through resistance. Let go of the resistance and just relax in your body. Breathe through it. Allow yourself to feel what you need to feel. And guess what? It dissolves naturally. And then you'll be more at peace. Until the next time that you feel another resistance, and you can do it again. And guess what also happens when you move through that resistance that you have? It opens up more space within you and it gives you more energy. I have so much more energy after I've been exercising, after I've moved through my resistance physically, and not only physically, but mentally and emotionally. My mind is clearer and more open, with less fear. We're nearly there. Sugary goodness. When I'm out in nature, I get an abundance of energy. But I find when I walk through city areas, I become exhausted and drained. So how about you? Maybe it's the moisture in the air. You don't get so dehydrated when you're out in a beautiful place like this. So how about you? How does nature make you feel? Now I've just bought my first Goshwin book. I figured out how to open it. And I got it signed. This one's 2,000 yen. I was promising myself, actually I didn't promise myself, I just said to myself I will never buy one of these because I'm not crazy. But obviously I am crazy. And it's really pretty. So because you have to pay so much for these little books, choose wisely. I don't know how you can choose wisely, but if you want to know, this is the book I got from here, okay? From this temple. It's beautiful. And yes, I'll be getting more stamps.